Hey guys, welcome to Pixography, and this video is all about low light photography, light painting, and the camera settings that you can use during the low light photography. So for this tutorial part, I'll be using this flower pot and this stopwatch as the main object. These light for creating the background light painting effect, as as well as this gift wrap for creating some reflection effect. So for this shot, I have hung this particular stopwatch with the help of the ribbon, as you guys can see, and the camera settings that I'll be using for this shot will be ISO at the minimum value, that is 100 for my device, which is Redmi Note 8, and shutter speed will be lower, so I'll be keeping it around 4 seconds, because 4 seconds is perfectly fine for me for creating some painting effect in the background. And the focus will also be at auto, as well as white balance will also be at auto. If I talk about the composition, then I'm keeping this stopwatch in the center of the grid. That will be a centric composition, you can say. So I'll be wrapping these lights with the gift wrap so that they can reflect and create a good light effect. So the thing you need to do is just wrap it over the lights. Yeah, same exactly as I did. Now what you need to do, just rotate it at the background of the stopwatch. So I'm rotating it so because I need that fireball kind of effect. You can try some different thing if you want. So let's see what will be the outcome of this. As shutter is open for the longer period of time, it will be capturing the movement that I'm doing in the background of this, and that will be something which is known as light painting or a long exposure shot. So here is the outcome for this. The results are pretty impressive, isn't it, right? So for the next shot, I'm using this flower pot. I need to paint a Christmas tree, so I'll be rotating these lights in such a pattern that it can form a tree all around it that will be of light. So let's see how it will look like. It will capture any movement that I'll do with the lights, which is actually light painting. You can try anything that you want and you can show all your creativity. So here is the outcome for this. This is something really magical, right? So I hope you guys must have learned how to create a light painting effect and how to capture a long exposure shot. So basically you need to decrease your ISO as well as your shutter speed for creating a light painting, or you need, if you want to capture a long exposure shot. And it will be really great if you will sharing some creative shots that you will be capturing after seeing this video with me. So you can directly ping me up on my Instagram handle, or you can just tag me, that is Grace Photography. And if you need any other tutorial, you can just comment it down in the comment section. It will be really great if you guys can subscribe to my channel and share this video. If you have any other issues or problems, you can just comment down. I'll be really grateful to answer all your queries. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.